Okay, welcome back, friends. Now let us do Act 2, Scene 4 of The Merchant of Venice. Now, this scene takes place in the streets of Venice. Gratiano, Lorenzo, Salarino, and Solenio. These four friends enter the street. Now they are planning for the party later onwards, and they are planning how they are going to take part in the masquerade, the parade of masks. So Lorenzo starts. No, we'll sneak away at supper time, disguise ourselves with masks at my home, and come back in an hour. So first they are going to have supper, means dinner, at Bassanio's place, right? After that thing, they are going to sneak away, means छुपके से चले जाएंगे. So they'll move out, they'll disguise themselves with masks at their house, and then come back in an hour. So Gratanio says, yeah, but we haven't made any preparations. Right? Salarino adds, we haven't even talked about who will be our torch bearers, because the march will be at night, right? So they want people who will be the torch bearers, so servants who will hold the torch and walk in front of them. Solenio now answers, the masquerade party might turn out terribly if we don't manage things carefully. I think it's better to call it off. So they have not planned, they have not made any preparations. So Solenio says, let's call it off. Lorenzo now, he's a positive person. He says, it's only 4 o'clock now. We have 2 hours to get ready. Now Lancelot enters with a letter. Lancelot has got a letter for Lorenzo, right? Who has sent the letter? Jessica has sent the letter, which we saw in the previous scene. So Lancelot asks, Lancelot asks them, what's going on? Sorry, Lorenzo asks Lancelot, okay, Lancelot, what's going on? Lancelot, he gives Lorenzo the letter, and if you don't mind opening this letter, you can find out for yourself. Right? So whatever information Lorenzo asks from Lancelot, he just gives the letter and say, you open the letter and find out for yourself. Lorenzo now opens the letter and he says, I recognize the handwriting. It's beautiful handwriting, and the beautiful hand that wrote this letter is whiter than the paper it's written on. So he's now admiring or even praising the beautiful hand of Jessica. Right? He immediately understood that it's a love letter written by Jessica. So Gratiano now makes fun of him. I bet it's a love letter. Now Lancelot asks Lorenzo permission to be excused. So Lorenzo asks him, where are you going? So he says, to invite my former boss, the Jew, means Shylock, to dine tonight with my new master, the Christian, that is Bassanio. So he's going to Shylock to invite him to have dinner with Bassanio that night. Lorenzo now, he gives Lancelot money. Hold on, take this. Right? So it's a reward for bringing the love letter. Now tell Jessica I won't fail her. Means Jessica has I mentioned in the love letter that she would wait for him, and she hopes that he will be true to his promise and he will take her away. Yeah, so the plan is to run away that night itself. Tell her in private. Right? Don't let the father know. Go, gentlemen. Get ready for the masquerade party. So he tells the other friends, get ready for the masquerade party. I have someone who can be my torchbearer. So this someone is no one else but Jessica, in the disguise of a young man, a young servant. So Lancelot now goes. Salarino also says, alright, I'll go get things ready. Solenio says, me too. Lorenzo tells them, meet me and Gratanio at his house in about an hour. So he tells Salarino and Solenio to come at Gratanio's house in an hour's time. Now Salarino says, it's good we're doing this. Doing what? Planning the escape of Lorenzo and Jessica. Right? And also, obviously, arranging the masquerade party. But the masquerade party is nothing but a play or a ploy by these friends to take away Jessica. Right? Now, Salarino and Solenio exit. Gratanio now is left. And he is a very good friend of Lorenzo. So he can talk of very private things. He said, wasn't that letter from Jessica? So Lorenzo says, yes, I have to tell you everything. She's told me how I can get her out of her father's house. The whole plan is of Jessica. She also told me what gold and jewels she owns, and she's described the pages uniform, the servants, pages means servants uniform, she's keeping to wear as a disguise. Right? So Jessica has planned everything. She has planned to steal her father's gold and jewels. She's already has a servant's uniform with her, which she's going to wear as a disguise. And if her father, now Lorenzo says, if her father ever goes to heaven, it will be because his daughter's so good. She'll never be punished with bad luck, unless it's because her father is an unbelieving Jew. Now come with me. He gives Gaetano the letter. You can look this letter over as you go. Means you can read the letter as we walk. Beautiful Jessica will be my torchbearer. So it's now everything is planned. They are going to take Jessica disguised as a page, as a servant. She's going to be the torchbearer, and the whole masquerade party is going to pass near Jessica's house. Shylock has been invited to Bassanio's house for dinner. Right? So Shylock will not be home. Jessica will be alone, and as soon as the masquerade party passes below Jessica's house, she's going to come out of the window of the first floor and elope with Lorenzo, and they're going to run away to another city, and Jessica will marry Lorenzo. So that's their complete plan. Okay, so now let's meet you in the next scene.